when we are witnessing the transition of the terms of service of ECD teachers in Kisii County from contract basis to permanent and pensionable terms. This is a new chapter aimed at improving services and performance in the early years education sector. Just as I promised my manifesto, I take this opportunity to thank our teachers for remaining patient and sticking to the cause over the years. Since 2013, all our ECD teachers have been serving on contract, and it has been my desire that the teachers be absorbed on permanent terms and on learning so as to make them in a better way. But as today, 714 teachers are receiving their appointment letters out of the 954 advertised slots. I'm happy and I'll explain each of every group that is out of the 954. I'm happy to announce that pending on the academic qualification, it's important to you to observe this. The teachers have been observed at favorable job groups with a salary range of between 26,000 to 39,000 naira. The Kisii community, we must prepare for the future, because now what remains, we don't have land. The only land which is remaining, we are here, and need to say here. I'll do everything, I'll ask our partners. Let it not be a one-off thing. Tafadhali, tunapenda sisi kuhakikisha wanafunzi wamepeana the best to our children. Hapo vipi? Siasa kando, tuachane mambo ya siasa, lakini tuhakikishe kwa jamii na nada 10-20 years to come, we have the best friends as the cause in this country. Nyinyi ndio taa, mimi ninahakikisha kazi zetu sasa. Nataka muwake kwamba tumsaidia jamii yetu. That's my aim for the MCAs. Na washukuru kwa sababu ya fedha waliolipea katika budget ambao sasa walimu wataanza kulipwa mshahara yao.